Okay, so this video, oh my gosh, my lips are so ashy. This video is basically gonna be my graduation preparation because I graduated about 3 weeks, like 20-something days. And it hasn't really hit me that I'm graduating, that I've been here in college for 4 years. But I gotta prepare regardless. So I'm working on my cap, and this is just my little vlog, I guess, of me preparing for graduation and then graduating. So we're gonna work on the cap. I already got my cap and gown. I'm probably gonna take you guys when I'm buying the collar task. I don't know, the thing that hang on your shoulders. And then I already started decorating my hat. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. We got Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Can I get an amen? We have our hot glue gun. I got this for $4 at Arts and Crafts store. I forgot the name of it. Came with these, which are $3. Scissors. The fur on my cap is from Hobby Lobby. It was actually in the Christmas section. The ones that were actually in the owl were not cute. The letters are from Amazon, and this beadboard with the shiny pink beads are from Michael's. And then I got these glues. This is the glitter glue. This was like $3, I'm not gonna lie. And then these were 54 cents. These two were 54 cents. And I think that's about it. Yeah. So I'm gonna paint the letters. They're wooden letters. I wanted them to be pop up letters, like the ones that stand out. But I couldn't find any in store. So I just got these wooden ones. My cousin sent it to me and I was like, yeah, they would be great. So we're gonna paint. This is apple cider. Also, I got a bunch of these little flower things. Diamond flower bading-dings. They're cute. I think I'm gonna add them to it. I'm thinking that I'm gonna go in black. I got the pinks because I don't know which pink I'm gonna use. Whichever one I don't use, I'm gonna return it. And the glitter is just gonna be like the last coat, just to give it a little razzle dazzle. But if I don't use the glitter either, I'm gonna return it. I'm a poor college student. I ain't rich yet. I ain't rich yet. Anyway, so I'm trying to keep everything away from the fur and stuff because I don't want to get any paint on it because that will be tragic. And then I placed everything on the cap already, so that I know where I'm gonna place it. When I watch videos of people doing this, I always said like the placement of your letters should be set up before you even glue it down. I think that's a good tip because you don't want to misplace. So I'm just squirting a little bit on the bag, and then I'm gonna take the letters and I'm going to paint them. And then I have this mini fan that I got from Shein. I think I'm gonna try to air dry them like faster. So I got the fan I got from Shein, and it's just a little mini fan. It's for my makeup, but I can use it for this too. I love it. Let me show you guys what I have. That's just the F. Picasso. Okay, I like this pink better. I think I'm gonna return this one. It is only 54 cents. Do I really want to return it? That's the real question. So bad of me. This looks so good. I like this type of thing. He love. So I decided to put these. Oh my gosh, anyway, I decided to put the letters down that I had already painted. But now I think I'm just gonna paint everything and then go in with the letters. Sorry, I was watching Disenchanted, but I think it's just better if I paint everything and then do the letters. I don't know. This is looking so good. Like, I need y'all to see my face. This is looking so good. Like, I'm proud of me. For this one, I think I'm gonna do this row all black, and then when I get to the word plans, I'm gonna do it all pink, and then I will be black, and then black, and then I'm gonna do either four will be black or four will be, this whole section will be pink. But then I also want the Bible verse to be like pink. Or maybe for the Bible verse I'll do every other. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out. These come with these little stems. I got them from, where did I say I got these from? I got them from Hobby Lobby. And so I cut it and I put one right here, one here, maybe one here. I thought I had another one here somewhere. Okay, they came in a bunch for like $2. I think I'm gonna do one here. I'm gonna do one here. And then one here. Okay, I'm running out of glue. One there. No, I gotta be extra. I gotta be extra. Okay, I was playing around with the Jeremiah 29:11 part, and I thought I wanted to sorry, that had to drop. I thought I wanted to like put it on an angle on the edge, the angle, the 90-degree, and put it on the 90-degree angle for my cap of my cap, but it looks funny, so I think I'm just gonna do it straight. Yeah. Ooh. These look so pretty.